I just wanted to clarify, this is just a tin to hold this while you get to your camping location. You do not throw the whole thing into the fire. This is just a shape that you can put whatever your fire starter, what you're making in, so it's the least messy as possible, easiest and quickest. I know there are other ways to make a fire starter, but frankly, I don't have time to go buy cotton balls and squish them and roll them in something and like all of these other steps. Like, no, I don't have time for that. So this is the easiest. Get your little cotton material. Old rags just burn like crazy easy. These are just cotton, whatever that pot holder thing. It's 100% cotton, all natural, so nothing synthetic. Cut it up, put it in whatever shape of tin you have. Pour some of this stuff on it, a little bit, just enough to soak in a little. And then get your matches, light a couple of tea lights, pour the liquid on top. You can see it solidifies. I just want it to be kind of like a candle. When this is done, you should probably really let the whole thing burn and melt and then pour it on, because see, some of it's not melting now. And then it's going to solidify, and then when it cools down, put the lid on it. Happy Valentine's! I know, this is a tin. Use whatever shape tin you have. Don't make like a big cube. Just see, this isn't very thick. It's and then you have a carrying case. Reuse the carrying case. When I get to the fireplace, wherever my camping area is, or just where I'm going to make a fire, I'm just going to use this inside part, sort of like a cotton candle thing that's going to burn in difficult situations to make it easier for me to have a fire. And then I'm going to save this metal bit. The metal bit is to save and reuse. Do not put the metal part in the fire, just the inside bit. And then when you get back home, put a couple of more in here in the empty tin and do what I just said. And then you've got a fire starter to bring with you. You don't need more than one. You can see from the size of my hand and from the tea lights, it's not that big and it's not that thick. So when you're trying to make a fire in the snow and it's in a situation where it's windy and it's snowing, it can be really hard. I went through an entire box of those because I wasn't prepared. I should have known better. I just was in a rush, and I just didn't think it would be that difficult because I'm really good at making a fire. But it was really windy, and I just couldn't get it to start, no matter what I did. So just in case, this will be really easy to get it to start. And then you don't have to bring like a whole bunch of stuff. I don't have a car. I'm not carrying a whole ton of, some people just bring so much stuff with them. I don't want to carry all that. I don't have a car. I am carrying everything myself. So this is the easiest. I don't have time to be making a bunch of little cotton balls and dipping them in stuff. This is the easiest, simplest, cheapest, best, in my humble opinion, way to make a fire starter. Also pine cones, but I just didn't have time to go pick pine cones out of the forest and do that. You can just literally throw the pine cones in the fire. Just pick a few along the way on your walk. So, I hope that was clear. Do not throw the tin in the fire. I know. I'm trying to show y'all easy ways to make a fire, and I assume things like a cookbook assumes when people learn how to cook that they know a lot of things that maybe they don't know. So I'm sorry. And I didn't make it clear. Do not throw the container into the fire. When I make the video for the fire, it's just really pretty out today and it's not snowing, and so yeah, I ate my mat pack and I'm not going to the the forest now because it's not snowing. And I wanted to show a video how to make a fire during it's not really a snowstorm, but just when it's snowing and in the snow, how to make a fire. That it's easy. You just have to have a little couple of things and be prepared. Okay, so try the fire starter and have fun. Okay, we'll make a video soon. Bye.